Hey there! If you're thinking about getting a dash cam that records the front, rear, and even the inside of your car, but aren't sure if it's really worth it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the SUVCON J06 triple dash camera, one of the most popular triple-lens dash cams out there. We'll be answering the big question: is it actually good? And more importantly, is it worth buying in 2025? So stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more honest tech reviews like this one. Let's start with what exactly you get with the SUVCON J06. This is a 3-channel dash camera system, which means it records from 3 angles at once: the front of your car, the back, and the interior. That makes it super useful for regular drivers, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants full coverage around their vehicle, including what happens inside the cabin. The package includes the main front camera with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, a waterproof rear camera with a long 19.68-foot cable, and an interior-facing camera with infrared LEDs for night vision. Oh, and it already comes with a 32GB SD card included, so you can start recording right away. No extra purchases needed. Now let's talk features. All 3 cameras record in full HD 1080p, giving you clear and detailed footage, whether you're driving down a busy street or through a dark tunnel. It also has a loop recording function, meaning when the memory card gets full, it automatically starts overwriting the oldest files. You can set it to record in 1-minute or 3-minute segments, whatever works best for you. Another cool feature is the built-in G sensor. When it detects a sudden impact or movement, it locks the current video file so it doesn't get overwritten, perfect for keeping important footage safe. And if you often leave your car parked in public areas, the 24-hour parking monitor will activate recording whenever motion or impact is detected, giving you peace of mind even when you're not around. One of the biggest challenges for any dash cam is how well it performs at night. Well, the SUVCON J06's interior camera has 4 infrared LEDs, allowing it to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, like during late-night drives or in dimly lit garages. Plus, thanks to HDR technology, the image stays balanced even in tricky lighting situations. Whether you're going into bright sunlight or coming out of a tunnel, the picture remains sharp and visible. When it comes to setup, the SUVCON J06 is pretty straightforward. It's a plug-and-play system, so once you mount the front camera on your windshield and run the rear camera cable, you're basically done. There's a 3-inch LCD screen, which lets you view live feeds from all 3 cameras. And because it uses an IPS panel, the display stays clear from almost any angle. Super handy if you're adjusting the view while parked. As for navigating the menu, everything feels intuitive. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to switch between cameras or access recordings. So, what are the pros and cons of this model? Let's break it down. Pros: 3 cameras in one system. Great value for the price. Night vision works well. Loop recording and parking mode, easy to install. Cons: max supported storage is up to 128 GB. No Wi-Fi or app connectivity. The SUVCON J06 has a list price of $69.99, which puts it squarely in the budget-friendly category. For what you get: 3 high-quality cameras, solid performance, and essential features. It's definitely a strong contender in the dash cam market. If you're looking for full coverage protection without spending a fortune, this could be a great option for you. And if you're ready to buy, I've got the link in the description below, where you can also check for any ongoing promotions or discounts. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Oh, and if this product goes on sale or drops in price soon, you'll be one of the first to know if you're subscribed. So go ahead, tap that bell icon, and stay tuned for more tech reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.